The sun, which was supposed to burn for 10 billion years, entered its decline phase prematurely after just 5 billion years. The accumulation of dark matter hindered the process of nuclear fusion. The feeble sunlight could no longer provide enough energy for Earth, and the planet was set to enter an eternal era of darkness and endless ice age. To save Earth, humanity decided to reignite the sun using the all-powerful nuclear bomb. The Icarus spacecraft, carrying a giant nuclear bomb, was launched towards the sun in an attempt to restart it. However, after several years of flight, the Icarus spacecraft mysteriously disappeared. Undeterred, humanity exhausted all of Earth's nuclear materials to build the Icarus II spacecraft. An 8-person crew was assembled to pilot the Icarus II towards the sun. The massive umbrella-shaped protective shield would prevent the spacecraft from being scorched by the sun's intense heat, and the onboard large greenhouse would provide the crew with ample oxygen. In the observation room, psychologist Annie admired the sun's final beauty and felt the warmth brought by the sunlight. After a full 18 months of flight, the spacecraft had reached the vicinity of Mercury. The crew temporarily forgot their mission fatigue and sat together to marvel at the magnificent sight of Mercury passing in front of the sun. Mercury appeared so tiny compared to the colossal sun. However, while on duty, First Officer Harvey unexpectedly received a distress signal from the Icarus-Thoring spacecraft that had disappeared 7 years ago. Based on the signal source, they discovered that the Icarus I was very close to the mission point. Some argued they could go on a rescue mission and replenish resources, while others believed it wasn't worth the risk since it had been 7 years, and the resources on board were likely depleted. In the end, the captain handed the decision to physicist Jack, as he was the most knowledgeable about the mission. After multiple calculations, Jack concluded that the nuclear bomb had to be precisely dropped into a sunspot to successfully restart the sun. However, under the sun's immense gravitational pull, time and space would warp, and the chances of success were low. Therefore, 2 chances were better than 1. After understanding the situation, the captain decided to head towards the Icarus Tharpu spacecraft. It was this decision that plunged them into an inescapable predicament.